So we are at a bird exhibit. Gonna go around the jungle and find all sorts of exotic birds. Let's go. What? Oh. It's a black cool bird. You can see down here. There's the waterfall of some nice luscious plants. Nice sky. We're definitely outdoors right now in a cool jungle. These birds! Birds! Oh my goodness! We're entering the tunnel. Now, as it's in the waterfall, it's really loud. And look, there is my dad. Ooh, you can see that we are in a waterfall with Nike, the dum-dum. And Miriam, they're really scared of birds. She's way too scared that she didn't take her jacket and hoodie off until now for the entire time. Like, I know, right? And look at, I was about to drop the boat. It's a bird. It's a bird. A bird. And again, that's Farah. Farah. Over lights. Oh my god. Look at those. Yeah. So, as you can see, I am here with Nucky the Explorer. And he's getting really tickled. So we are exploring the jungle. And there is Nike trying to jump off to get away from the camera. Whoa. Those are some low leaves. I'm gonna walk like this. As you can see, we're outside, and I'm just gonna not look down because I have heights. Yeah. Oh my god. So, we're going into another tunnel of doom. You can see those birds. Look at all these birds. It's another thing bird. You can see there's more birds. Hey, Miriam. Miriam. What, is there a bird? It's a bird. Look at that bird. Oh, that's God, it's huge. It's like, yeah. Yeah. Look. It's a little bird. It's a bird. A pink bird. Maybe more bird. What? Yo. Oh my god. Birds. Oh my god, you can see that bird. It's hiding. I bet it's playing hide and seek. It's playing hide and seek. It's playing hide and seek with its birdies. Get it? And this says 9. Please respect the birds. Well, I can't respect them. I can't respect them if there's like the signs have gone. Do we want to exit? I don't think I want to go in there. A scream. We're going to the Javanese house. That sounds dumb. So it's really dark. The architecture is so cool. But this is one of the reasons I want to be an architect. And as you can see, yeah, take off the jacket. Yeah. It's not even a dress. Okay, Mariam. Okay. Yeah. So you go there and boom. Okay. Now let's do Nike.
Nike का विंग स्पैन देखेंगे पीछे आ जाए ना थोड़ा सा इधर साइड पे हो जाए यार तुम लोग कैमरे में आते हो ना
So you can see that Nike's there. Oh, now it's time for fur. So you can see that fair was. Look, she's a little mini bird. A little mini bird. Look at that mini bird. Now let's see how I am. Okay, now we're gonna see how I am.
Your fur isn't blue, you're in blue. I'm in orange.
Okay, so now we're gonna do me. No, I'm doing it. Oh, come and get the brown. Wait, what? Come and get the farthest into the orange. I went into orange, but I didn't go far away in orange. Yep. I'm a bird. Now let's go. As you can see, there's these little nests that the bird make. They look. So they look really prehistoric. Now, let's go to Nike. Look at that Nike, look at that Miriam. Look at that architecture again, like dude. That's some nice handcrafted architecture. It's really cool. It looks like there's some ancient lore hidden in the background. I'm not gonna read this right now, but I'm gonna read it when the recording's done. Says, whatchamacallit, Hong Kong, Shang, Jong, no. A lot of lore behind this. It's just that I don't want to read it all right now. Okay, now let's go back. So we're gonna go down there, and you see all these birds. We're gonna go down there. So the trip is about to end, but this isn't the end. Does. Okay. There is green pumpkin and peach yellow and the giant. What? What are you doing? Yo, it's a bird. Look at them. Bird. Bird. There are a lot of birds. There's a bunch of birds.
Can I film? They can still see you.
No, because you're not good at doing camera. You're not good at doing camera people in.
Yeah, I was the one because you were moving so fast.
What do you mean?
You're shaking it.
You're really slow. Yeah, because then it looks like the camera is me. You know what I mean? Oh, wait. I'll do that again. Wait, okay, not right now, but when we go outside, okay? Because that will be the thumbnail pic. Yo, dude! Somebody get wings! It's trying to scare the birds, I bet. Naki, POV, that's you when you get way too when you get way too angry. Like, I am way bigger than you. I will try and kill you. What happened there? Now the journey is about to end. But Naki, look here. Haha, he looked. Alright, I need to take the thumbnail pic for Burio. Man, these are so long. Look at this, like going down. Miriam said that was the last floor. Well, she isn't wrong, but she isn't correct either, so that doesn't count. It's a pigeon. You can see that, like in almost every city. So, you know how that's here. Oh, what is this? Huh? That's cool. Whoa. It's a cool one. There's a lot of birds.
Naki, don't misbehave. We pay tickets.
Mariam. Yeah? No, you can just stay normal. No, it's a great one. Yo, what? Two white bird.
So cute. Naki को अपने अलावा कुछ cute नजर ही नहीं आता.
Yo, that's cool bird. Cool bird. Whoa. Look at that. Another one. I think Nucky wants to hold the camera.
No, I want to go home.
Okay, so I'll let Miriam do that then. Hey, Miriam, you want to hold the camera? Okay, go. Okay, now Miriam holding the camera, so it looks really like. Look over there, it's a bird. Look up there. Up there. Yeah, up there on the top of the cake. See? It's no, over there. Yeah. Oh my God. Where are you pointing that thing? Man. Can you go back to 0.5? Okay, you are really bad at this, but I'm just trusting you right now, okay?
Bubba was in the way. He was holding it for me. Now do it. Come on.
Okay, so press pause because we're going to. Okay, so we're going down.
So that is architecture.
Look at this magnificent bird. It's called the Unicorn Verbal Bird Supergirl. More birds back there. There's probably some birds up. Yeah, that's up there. You can see. It just disappeared.
Oh man.
Where'd it go? But there is that really cool bird.
Wait.
Oh yeah, that's a good. Okay, now I pause. Yeah.
Go.
So we're gonna like go swimming and do a bunch of other stuff like go-karting and stuff.
And we're gonna show you the Niagara Falls.
Yeah, Niagara Falls.
Hey guys, everybody.
Because I'm not sure if a lot of you are in Canada or you've been to Niagara Falls. All I know, it's really cool. I've been there like 1, 2, 6 times. And like 5 minus 5. Yeah, this is like my 6th time. So can you stop zooming? Okay. So pause.
So right when I turned off the camera, this appeared.
इसकी बात पिक्चर देखिए इसी तरह बाल इसको करिएगा है ना
It's so beautiful. मैं सरवा को इस तरह का अपने हेड पे बनाना है.
Okay, so I just found this there. And there's an aquarium in there. What, are you
Don't be
scared?
scary. Don't be scary.
Mariam, don't be scared. Scaredy cat. Hey, Mariam, there's something in here. Anything in there?
I can't see it.
Neither can I. What? This is Khan's documentary.
Wow.
Oh, look at the bird.
No, there's a parrot. There's a parrot.
Mariam, there's a bird right there.
Oh, right there.
Oh, look at that. That's a cool one, dude.
Yo.
Okay, so, but when we're done with this, I don't need you guys to know. I need you guys to know one thing. That I'm the biggest bird. Okay, so we go here. It is a shop of gifts. The most evil and treacherous place ever. It makes everything way too overpriced. But it's still cool. But it's too overpriced. Turtles. Turtle. Yep. Nah.
आप खुद ही बहुत अच्छे से.
Okay, so Miriam was good, I think. Tell me in the comments if she was good or not. If she is, I'll make her camera person more often. I mean, if she's better than me. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're about to leave. Miriam was like scared for like half of the time. And yeah, there's also Nike who's really dumb, as always. Okay, so let's go. See what the next thing is. Probably the end, but let's see. It's a peacock. It's a peacock, and it's a cat named Miani. Nanny. I need a nanny cat. Oh my! I don't want anything from here. Definitely no. Now this is a section which Furwell would really like. Oh my God! It's a bird.
लकी का मनी हमारे पास खत्म हो गया है. उससे नहीं हमने लेना. ये कितने?
I wonder why there's so many birds at a place that Larry called Birdwatch, I think. Now it is called. I don't know why it is. Bees! Bees. I like bees. Because I'm a little... Meow, 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 meow. 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 Oh my God, he's a bird. Well, I think that's Duolingo bird cousin, because they're kind of like him. Now you can see this. Look at this. Turtle. It's a turtle. It's another turtle. It's a thingy with more thingies and more thingies and more thingies and with a lot of shell thingies. Oh yeah, yeah, yo, look at this. It's water nuts. Water nuts. 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 Oh yeah, but Mariam, remember we had like this tiger in Pakistan. It's not an actual tiger. It was like this tiger, like a tiger plushie, and you were so scared of it. And you also had this other one that was like a moose, I think, and you were like crying to get away from it for some reason. Hey yo, that is sus. Oh wait, that isn't. Hey yo, that is sus. Chocolate. Farwa, Farwa, I need to show you something. Farwa, I need to show you something. Man, why don't you want to see? Oh my God. Okay, so this is the end for today's adventure. But we'll be back on another episode of Farm Trip at Niagara Falls for like the 6th time. bird kingdom. And yo, that's definitely a bird. That's a bird. Peace.